Hi, I'm Rich Lewis with Loadrite Midwest. We're going to show you the new Loadrite S1100 scale. This system is for farm tractors, forklifts, and skidsters. Some of the features it has are a short total, a bucket count, an overload warning, and it will do up to 9 different attachments that you can name. The accuracy is plus or minus 2%. Simple key functions. It's got a full 1-year parts warranty and labor. As you can see in this video, we're very happy with the accuracy and we're excited to get this out on the market. This is a product that's going to be very useful for the farmers because they can do multi-attachments. They can weigh their hay, they can weigh their feed, they can weigh a fertilizer, anything that has to do with what measures and weights as far as loading and not overloading a truck. And the same with the landscapers. What's so nice about this for the landscapers, they can do multi-attachments. So if they've got something to load up a boulder, to rocks, to mulch, oversized buckets, this is all capable of doing all that. And as far as the forklifts, it could be used for not overloading trucks. It could be anywhere from a warehouse to knowing what you have for weights or to loading a truck. So these are some of the 3 customers that it's going to be based on. It's basically like for farm tractors and forklifts and skidster based type of deal. Low cost, it's going to be affordable, and it's something that people have been asking for, so we're very excited.
We're showing you our install on the S1100 on a skidster. It's a Bobcat T190 actually. We mounted to this lift cylinder back here. If you can see our hookup back there. We used the dual transducer mount, which we probably should use the signal mount, but that's all we had at the time. But it made it nice and neat back there. It's nice and out of the way. We just mounted to a bracket that was on the machine itself. Ran our wires through. We stayed away from the top where the exhaust was. Kind of ran it back through this bottom here and then back, and it went up into the cab from here. You can see our stopping points. We actually use the bars right here. This is where we're going to and dropping to our yellow and pushing our weigh button. Those are eye height for me. I mean, they could be adjusted for any operator. It's kind of a fast solution what we used, and it actually worked out pretty good. We didn't have to do any welding or any attachments to the outside. So, and come around here to the indicator. We just used an L bracket that we mounted on the inside and just put the indicator right to that. It worked out pretty good. Everything's out of the way. You can tip the cab and everything. No wires get pinched or nothing. The install was pretty simple. This was our first install on this typical model. We have about 3.5 hours in it after we installed it and calibrated it and played with it, so that wasn't too bad. You can see where we have the stickers on the window right there. We just used different color electrical tape. You'll see in the other video where we lift to the top, red one, and drop down to the yellow, and that's where we zero it and get our weight. Pretty simple. Okay, here we are in the S1100. We're going to do a zero lift. We're going to lift it up to our red line, stop, lower it to our yellow line, and zero it out. fluctuated. We're gonna add it. I'm doing this all at full throttle, full RPM, but after I did it here for a little while, it ain't too bad. I'm gonna try it one more time. Stopping on my red line, dropping it to my yellow, hitting the add button, or the weigh button, I'm sorry. 800 pounds, looks great. I'm gonna add it. On 3 lifts, it fluctuated 20 pounds, so I'm pretty happy with it.
This is the S1100 in action. What you're seeing is us weighing rock in round bales of hay. We're showing the weigh process where you lift it up to the red line, drop it to the yellow line, and then we get to the yellow line, we push the weigh button, and that gives us our weight. And then we hit our add weight, which adds the weight to the next bucket. Hi, this is Rich Lewis with Loadrite Midwest again. I'd like to thank you for watching our video on the S1100. If you have any questions or quotes, please ask for myself or Jake in the office, and you can contact us at 402-570-8680. Thank you very much.